So, you want to know if AI robots will replace healthcare professionals? Is it possible for a machine to diagnose you, treat you, and even perform surgery better than a human doctor could? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether robots will replace doctors in healthcare and what the future holds for your health. From AI diagnosing diseases more accurately than doctors, to robots performing surgeries with precision, we're diving into how AI is already changing the game in healthcare. But here's a quick question for you. If you could only choose one, would you trust a robot to diagnose your health condition? Or would you prefer a human doctor with years of experience? Leave a comment down below and let me know. So is AI here to help or take over the scene? Let's start by exploring how AI assists in diagnosis. It's important to remember that AI is already diagnosing diseases with insane accuracy. For example, Google DeepMind is beating human specialists in diagnosing eye diseases, such as diabetic retinopathy. Google DeepMind is an artificial intelligence research lab that was founded in 2010 as DeepMind Technologies and later acquired by Google in 2014. It is now a part of Alphabet Inc., Google's parent company. DeepMind is known for its cutting-edge work in developing AI systems that can learn and solve complex problems across various domains. AI can also catch conditions that doctors might miss, and it does it faster than many specialists. So, can AI replace doctors in diagnosis? Not yet. Doctors still bring human judgment and empathy, and AI can't replace the personal touch. But that being said, AI is an amazing assistant to doctors, giving the doctors what some people would say, superpowers. Now let's look at AI in surgery. First of all, I am extremely tempted to show some of the videos that appeared for me for surgery. It's totally grossed me out, and I feel like you all should suffer by seeing the same sight that I've just seen. Anyway, can robots perform surgeries better than humans? Well, the Da Vinci surgical system is already assisting doctors in performing minimally invasive surgeries. The Da Vinci surgical system, a robotic-assisted surgery platform, was developed by the company Intuitive Surgical. It was first approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, in 2000. This robot is precise, reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. But here's the twist. AI is also guiding surgeons in real time to make better, faster decisions during procedures. So is AI replacing surgeons? Not yet. While robots are enhancing surgeries, doctors still provide the expertise and judgment needed. The next point is, can AI care for you on the same level that a human doctor could? Now let's get personal. Can a robot truly care for you like a human doctor? AI can analyze your data and provide treatment suggestions, but it can't offer empathy. Imagine getting life-changing news from a robot. Beep boo, beep boo. Excuse me, sir, you're going to... All jokes aside, imagine receiving that sort of news from a robot, compared to a human doctor who can comfort you through the process. AI is great for tasks, but it can't replace the human connection in healthcare. Now let's look at the future of AI and doctors. So, what does the future look like? Well, definitely not AI versus doctors. It's more like AI plus doctors. AI will help doctors diagnose patients faster, perform surgeries more precisely, and even predict potential complications. But doctors will still be there to make tough decisions and provide the care and comfort that only humans can offer. AI is a powerful tool that will improve healthcare massively. There's no doubt about that. But doctors are here to stay. So you want to know my conclusion? Will robots really take over the healthcare sector? Well, kind of, but not in the way you think. AI isn't replacing doctors. It's assisting doctors in transforming healthcare industry for the better. So to all you doctors and all you in the healthcare profession, you're safe. So back to my question. Would you trust a robot to diagnose your health condition, or do you prefer a human doctor with years of experience? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone curious about the future of healthcare. Thank you for letting me keep you updated with the latest in the AI world. It means a lot. See you in the next video, and remember to subscribe. I need a job.